Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chris Dominguez back with another video. Finally, I came up with an amazing use case for ndau, introducing ndau rewards. Earn ndau as a reward for new customer acquisition, and this offer is powered by Build Network. So what is ndau? ndau is the world's first adaptive digital currency as a new category of digital asset. ndau is optimized for a long-term store of value with staking rewards and a goal of buoyancy. ndau provides all the benefits of a digital currency while promoting fair and accountable governance, dependability, and greater safety not found in existing cryptocurrencies. ndau is supported by a decentralized ecosystem designed with built-in economic structures that incentivize both stability and potential for growth. Simply holding ndau in the ndau wallet app allows you to earn additional ndau through ecosystem alignment incentives, as well as a bonus for locking your ndau. For example, you could be earning up to 25% ndau on a 3-year locked account in your wallet app. Please visit ndau.io for more information. And if you'd like to take advantage of this offer, you're going to want to have the ndau wallet downloaded from the App Store or the Google Play Store. In today's video, I'm going to review how ndau makes a great reward token for businesses to reward their new customers and my very first offer powered by Build Network. Introducing ndau rewards. Our first of many ndau rewards is for new ADT smart home or business customers. Get America's most trusted security system and get your installation fee paid back in ndau cryptocurrency directly into your ndau wallet. This is a $99 to a $199 value, which is paid 2 weeks after a confirmed install. This offer is provided by independent business owner Chris Dominguez, powered by Build Network. And we're going to go into why choose ADT. Here are some of the features and the benefits. Over here on the left, we've got $1,499 in free equipment when you get your ADT smart home security system. And your smart security system includes a control panel with a battery backup, one pet-friendly motion detector, light module, and remote locks. There are 10 door and window sensors included in our standard packages, optional cameras, and a phone app for remote control. And the benefit I'm offering is to receive the installation fee back in ndau. And some of the additional benefits: professional monitoring 24/7 by ADT, and their call center can detect intrusions, fire, flood, carbon monoxide, and they can also dispatch the police or emergency services quickly. The equipment is awesome. I covered a little bit of that, but it also can be upgraded in many different ways. So if you find you want to add another camera, you can always add additional devices and cameras to your smart home system. So the control, ADT systems comes with a touchscreen control panel, and it's compatible with voice control through Amazon, Alexa, Google Home Assistant. Premium packages also include mobile app access. Mainly, you get the peace of mind. ADT has been around for over just 150 years, and ADT systems can give you the peace of mind that your property is being watched. For me, I have this set up at my house. I have 2 camera system, and I can see whenever somebody's dropping off a package. I can see when my daughter and my girlfriend are outside. It's a huge benefit, a lot of peace of mind for sure. So this offer is currently available in 16 states in the U.S. That includes California, Colorado, Georgia, Idaho, Indiana, Kansas, Kentucky, Texas, Ohio, Missouri, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, Nebraska, Pennsylvania, and Wyoming. And we will be expanding into more states soon. Again, receive your installation fee back within 2 weeks, paid in ndau. This is a promotion by me. So here are the 3 packages that are included through Build Network and ADT. So the $52.99 per month package includes a $99 installation fee. That includes 10 sensors. It includes the ADT control system and panel. And that covers most homes, most apartments, right? And the middle package is $58.99 per month, a $99 one-time installation fee. This is the ADT Video Lite, and that includes the same 10 sensors that you get in the other package, but with one camera. This can be a camera that's installed up high in front of your garage, in front of your door, or it can be a doorbell camera. And finally, the third package is $63.99 per month and a $199 installation fee. This is the ADT video and control system. It includes 10 sensors, doors and windows, and it's got 2 cameras. This is the package that I have installed at my home. And let me know which package you would like to get for your home. Now, finally, refer friends and family and earn. Earn some great commissions by enrolling as an affiliate for free or as a consultant or builder with Build Network. Ask me if you'd like more information. Thank you.